Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? I'm Jed and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, smash that subscribe button because you're gonna need it. Alright guys, so I have a quick fix for you guys on how to fix the error that is happening right now with the Call of Duty Warzone. So this is a quick fix and I want us to jump right into it right now. So the first thing you want to do is open your battle.net launcher. Once you open the app, the first thing you want to do is pause your download. So click on the pause button, then you go on region and account and change your region. You can change your region to anywhere you want it, except don't use your original region that you were using before. So you can change it to America, Europe, Asia. If you were using Europe before, change it to Asia or America. Just select any of that. For the sake of this video, I'm going to select Asia. So once you change your region, resume your download, click on resume right there, and then wait for your game to be updated. Once your game is done updating, click on play and try to play your game, and that should be it. That should absolutely fix the problem. And if this doesn't work for you, you can leave a comment in the comment box. I will try to help you fix it. I will give you other options that you can use. Alright guys, so if this worked for you, smash that like button, give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe.